A parrot keeps a forest alive. At dawn, Betet parrots flash green, red, and blue, gliding through towering trees and calling to their flock. They feast on fruits, seeds, and wildflowers, spreading seeds that regenerate the forest. In mating season, pairs nest in hollow trees and devote themselves to their chicks. Predators and human activity threaten them, yet this clever bird adapts and endures. As dusk falls, gentle calls echo, nature's harmony carried by vibrant wings. Protect their home